Hey, everybody. Today, you are going to learn how to create a LinkedIn event and how to invite your connections to that event. There are just so many use cases for being able to do this. Stick around. You don't want to miss it. And if you want to join my upcoming masterclass on how to launch your business with a post and a Google Doc, then the link will be in the description. Give me a like, give me some love, give me a subscribe. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are over on LinkedIn, and I'm about to show you exactly how to set up an event on LinkedIn and begin inviting your connections to that event. And this is exactly how we're going to do that. We're going to hit this little symbol right here. I'm going to go over to, oh, here it is, the little calendar, create an event. I'm going to click here and upload a thumbnail for this event. All right, I'm going to apply that. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to let them know if it's going to be online or in person. This is going to be an online event. I'm going to give a format. It can be a LinkedIn Live or an external event. This event will be an external event. I'm going to give the name of the event. Let me go over here and grab the name. All right. This will be an external event. Go back over to LinkedIn, place that name in there. Time zone will be Eastern time zone. Start date will be Thursday the 6th at 11 a.m. The 6th, end time at 12 p.m. All right. External link. Let me see if I can find. Let me just go and grab the external link from my Go Brunch account. Grab the external link from my Go Brunch account. Copy that. Come back over here and pop that right in. All right, description. This is where I'm going to put my copy for the event in. I'm going to put it in, just copy that. I've already set my copy and everything up in Trello. That's what I'm using. And that's where I keep a lot of my content. I'll place that in there in the description. I am also going to place the Go Brunch link right under it in that description. Speakers, it will be me, Antonio. I will be speaking. All right. And I'm going to click on next. As you can see, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to say, let's see, what I'll do is I will put the name again, copy, and I'll say, come join me and learn how to launch your business and sign up new clients with one post and How amazing is that? Let me ask you in the comments, would you join this live event? It will be in the description of this video. So if you want to join this live event, go ahead and do so. I can't wait to see you there. But as you can see, we have our event set up. And so what I'm going to do is just click post. I'm going to click post and we'll see that working right here. Boom. There it is. All right. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click view the event. It's bringing me over here. And I have probably over 2,000 connections and followers. I'm going to share this event. I'm going to invite people to this event. And as you can see, I'm just going to go down through here and just invite people. And so over the next couple of days, what I'll do is I'll just come in here and invite people manually. If you know of a way for me to, I could probably create an AI bot to do this manually, and I probably will find me an AI bot that will do this manually, that will do this for me rather, instead of me having to do it manually. But as for right now, I just have to go in here and manually invite people. So that's 51 right there. I'm gonna go ahead and click, for the sake of this video being a short video, I'm gonna go ahead and click invite. And as you can see, let me see if I can move this out of the way, As you can see right here, 51 people invited to this event already. All right. So this is Antonio. Listen, if you want to come and attend this event, the link will be in the description. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about all things client enrollment, how to enroll new clients, how to build out your offers, how to set up your marketing systems, how to set up your sales systems, and how to automate the whole thing. That's what it's all about. So give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.